How to record voiceover directly in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and make sure your microphone is connected and set up properly on your computer. Next, right-click in the area near B1 or A1 behind the timeline. Then select Insert Track and choose Audio Record Track. After the track is added, you will see the red record button. When you are ready, click the red record button to begin capturing your voiceover. Speak clearly and watch the waveform display to monitor your recording. Once you are done, click the same record button to stop. The recorded audio will appear and can be edited directly in the timeline. You can edit, trim, and apply effects to your voiceover clip just like any other audio clip in Kdenlive. Now you know how to record voiceover directly in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.